Welcome back. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a hanging decoration. Now if you haven't seen my very long talky video, this is the result of what I made from all of that clay that I was messing around with, and it was too long for that video, so here it is, and this one will be a lot shorter. So without further ado, here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So this is the show and tell part where I talk about what I've made, what I liked, what I didn't like, and basically how you can do better. So I'm going to show it to you now. So let's go for the bottom first. This is a really pretty colour with a stamp on it. I have done the back as well. And then we've got a couple of beads and then a odd shaped one, because that's all I had from the scrap. And then some more beads and a leather kind of string. Now, as mentioned, it is leather. I got this a really long time ago and I just didn't know what to do with it, and I just grabbed it and thought, yep, this is what I'm going to make it out of. So with this part here, it's just literally a piece of flat clay. Now I did try and put a cutter around it, but it just wasn't the right shape. So I thought, well, I'm going to cut round it and it will just be a slightly irregular shape, which is what it ended up being. And then I completely covered it in blue mica powder, and then I did something different. So I used some liquid polymer clay, but it's more sticky. It's from Sculpting. It wasn't the adhesive that I normally use, but Sculpting polymer clay, or the liquid kind, is really sticky. So I thought, well, I'm going to give this a try. So what I did was I went around all the edges and just gently tapped it on all of the areas that sticks up a little bit. And then I put a different colour polymer clay on it. And normally when you put polymer clay on something, it goes really shiny and dusty, and then you can't put any more polymer clay on it because it won't stick. You have to use liquid polymer clay to do that. And yeah, so I managed to get this sort of pretty design which really stood out. Now I haven't made anything that's blue for a really long time, but because the piece of clay that I was using was originally blue, I thought, well, why not? So yeah, so I didn't know what else to make, so I just made some beads with some other scrap that I had. I just put a little couple of dots in each of them for a bit of decoration, and then this was the tiny bit that I had left, and I just squished it, made it a weird shape, and then stamped some of the pattern into that as well. And I used the opposite way, so I did this in gold and then I did the blue on the outside, and I thought, what a change. So yeah, it's a really nice effect and it looks just so different. I haven't made anything in blue and gold for a really long time, so I thought that was quite nice. And then to top it all off, a couple of more beads, and then very simply wrapped and then tied into a knot. So that is all there is to this one. So this is how you create a hanging decoration with polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So a few little hints and tips. I said this into another video that you can now dub me in different languages. I haven't tried it because I think I'll be quite freaked out by it. But I tried it on one of the videos that I've actually watched, and it does work. Now, of course, I didn't understand the language that it was, but it seemed to do it seamlessly. So if you are from another country and you find English quite difficult, by all means dub me. Let me know if you have dubbed me and what it sounds like. I do say a lot of things in slang sometimes, and it probably won't make sense in a different language. But if you do find that and it comes across a bit funny, please ask me and let me know so I can tell you what it was meant to say. So yeah, something interesting, and I hadn't mentioned it and I really should have done, but anyway, you can dub me in a different language now if you want to. That aside, please like and subscribe because it reaches more people and then I can do more stuff. So yeah, I think that's about it.